Is welcome back to Bk TV. Yes, please, if you've not subscribed, do where to subscribe. If not joined our Telegram channel, there will be a link at the end of this video down the description below. Please join our link, our Telegram channel link. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at understanding your Bybit exchange. Yes, so many newcomers, new people, they don't know how to use this exchange. So we are going to go through it together, through this interface together. Okay, Bybit is actually a centralized exchange where you can actually buy, trade, and earn in cryptocurrencies. So this is how your exchange would look like. Okay, where do I actually start from? Okay, let's start from the user interface. Let's start from the profile. Okay, so this is my profile. You just click here. Once I tap on it, this is your user ID. Okay, I'm sure most of you knows. For the people that don't know, this is your user ID. It's actually called user identification number. Someone can actually send you money with this UID. We have the next one. We also have invite friends. Once you click on it, look at it, invite friends to earn some money, over 30% commission. So it's just like an affiliate program. So once you invite your friends, you earn commission by inviting them. You can also join the affiliate portal via your link and earn more commission. Okay, so let's go back. So let's go to identity verification. Let's click on it. Okay, I think I have network issue. When you come to your identification verification, you are going to see is I think level 1 and level 2. So I did my level 1. With level 1 verification, you are good to go. Okay, so let's move over to the next one. Let's go to okay, fine, it's actually opened. So here you put in your personal information, your name, your document ID, your country. Then if you want to go over to level 2, this is where you add your proof of address. Okay, so I just did the level 1. You are good to go. You go back. So let's move over to our okay, this is the home page. In this home page over here, we have deposits. Let's click on the deposit. So if you want to deposit crypto, just click on deposit crypto. Okay, and we also have fiat up. Okay, let's go back to crypto. So in here we have different coin you can use. Then fiat, these are normal currency coin, like the country that are permitted. As you can see, Nigeria is not yet because they are not, it's not yet permitted. Okay, so let's go back. So yeah, over here we have trade strategy, demo trade. Demo trade is like if it's your first time, you can just click on demo trading, and also you can use it to learn how to trade because it's not actually a real money. Okay, look at it. Let's check it out. So this is how it looks like. Okay, let me go back to start live trading. If you want to go back, just go here, click on the above, you go back. That is it. So now let's go to more. All right, on this more we have Bybit in. Let's click on it. You can actually stake your crypto here. Look at it. This is what you can stake, and duration 30 days. USCD 19.72%, flexible. Okay, you can actually stake. Look at the percentage. This USCD flexible 19.72, 1 to 3 days fixed term saving. Just like when you put your money in the bank and they give you some percentage. This is how it is. Yeah, okay. So let's look at another one. Bybit savings. Let's go to Bybit savings. You can actually save your money here. Just a way of earning passive income. BTC 2.8%, Ethereum 2.5%, USD 400%. Can you see that? Can you see that? So let's go to copy trading. Okay, let me see. Copy trading. Oh, copy trading is not actually here. Okay. But if you're a newcomer, please focus on how to buy. Okay, focus on the home page. Okay, look, if you look down here, focus on home. Can you see what I'm showing you? Assets. This thing's down here. Okay. Up here we have the hot coin. Hot means there are coins that are very hot in the market. Then we also have new ones. These are new listed tokens. It comes out every 24 hours, almost every day. You have new tokens that are listed. Then we have gainers. Gainers, they are coins that gain more percentage in 24 hours. Okay. Then we have losers. People that have lost in that same 24 hours. Then we have, so you come down here, markets, click on it. This is where you can add your favorite coin. This is where you see your coin. Then when you get to trade, you click on trade. This is where you trade your coin. So this is it. Then when you go to assets, click on assets. This is the coin you have in your Bybit wallet. Now let's go to deposit. This where to put in your money. You put in your money here inside your, through here you get your money inside your Bybit. Then we have withdrawal next. Withdrawal is where you pull out your money from your Bybit. We also have transfer. Okay, is from transfer is from your wallet to another wallet. That is transferring from funding to unified wallet or the derivatives. You can also use convert. If you do not want to use this, convert means converting from one coin to the other. Okay, so let's go back to the home page right now. Home page. So up here you have your notifications. This bell icon, this is where I get notification of whatever is happening in your wallet. So just click on it and this is it. System notification, last event, announcements, and so on. So this is where you just get some information, some news. All right, so this is actually all for today. So in my next video or subsequent video, I'm going to post how to use P2P trading. Very, very important. All right, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow me on my Telegram channel for more updates. Thank you very much.